Spring is around the corner and it's time to change your Montessori shelf. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all spring inspired activities for toddlers and preschoolers. And I'm also having a pleasant surprise for you. So watch this video till the end. Stay tuned.
This is an alphabet matching activity. For this activity, I have used alphabet cards and magnetic letter. I have arranged these alphabets in a random order. It gives an opportunity for my son to search for matching alphabet. This activity is good for letter identification and matching. You can easily set up this activity on your Montessori shelf. Since it is spring, I have set up spring alphabet tracing letter. They fit like a puzzle pieces. With this wooden stick, it is easy for my son to trace alphabets. It is a good activity for practicing letter formation. And coming up is a big news.
I'm super excited to share with you that Super Thanks is on for my channel. And if you like my content, then please support my channel so that it will help me to create more quality content for you. So if you like my content and would like to support my channel, then please click on the Super Thanks button under this video. I really appreciate your support. So this is a picture puzzle and it has numbers at the bottom. At an early stage, children can use it for picture matching and matching numbers and ordering at the later stage. Puzzles are good for enhancing short-term memory as well as problem-solving skills. This is a wooden shape sorting activity. My son is trying to figure out where this shape will go. So let your child explore and figure out on their own. Even if your child is not putting the shape in the right place, do not interrupt or try to make them understand where it goes. Allow them to learn through their senses and observation, and eventually they will put the shape in the right place. It will also help your child improve their focus. The next activity on my Montessori shelf is this cute ladybug activity. It is a color matching as well as number matching activity. As a child grows, this activity can be used for counting, as a child can count the dots on the ladybug and match it with the text number as the child starts to read. This is a simple activity for your child to learn about fruits and learn new words. It is good for developing fine motor skills. This is a good open-ended resource for children. It enhances their creativity and imagination. It also contributes in developing skills such as critical thinking, motor skills, emotional regulation, etc. The next activity is this beautiful colored butterfly puzzle. It also helps children learn about the different body parts of the butterfly. Puzzles are good for boosting your child's spatial awareness skills. Freebie alert! I'm glad to share with you that I have created free, yes, absolutely free, fun spring printables for preschoolers and up. So if you have preschoolers and up, then go and grab your freebie now. I mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. Spring is the best time to learn about growing life. I have arranged this life cycle of a butterfly activity. Children learn through their observation and senses. So I have placed this replica of a butterfly which represents a phase in the life cycle. Children need to match with related cards displayed on the shelf. So once they are done with this activity, you can talk about their observation as well as read a book which will provide them more information on the same. You can introduce music to your child with songs and nursery rhyme as well as display various toy instruments on the shelf so they can learn about instruments as well as naturally develop a love for music. This is a fun and engaging whack-a-mole activity. It is good for developing one of the practical life skill, and that is hammering. It also improves your child's focus and concentration. This is a tongue transfer activity, so child needs to use a tongue to pick up a bee and place it in the matching color honeycomb. This activity is good for developing fine motor skills. One of the practical life skill is paper cutting. So start with a basic cutting practice. So let your child learn how to hold scissors. You can start practicing on the practice scissors first until your child learns how to hold and use the scissors. This is a threading activity. It is good for developing hand-eye coordination and improving focus. My son loves these wooden sensory blocks. They are also good for learning about color mixing, shapes, building and stacking. My son liked to watch how these sensory blocks reflect in the sun and create a beautiful picture on the activity table. So if you'd like to check the resources and educational material that I have used in this video, then head on to my Amazon store. I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. I always look for the quality products for the kids and add it to my Amazon store list. So follow me on Amazon so that you can focus on buying rather than searching. So check the link in the description box below. So which activity you like the most, let me know in comments down below. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you soon.